Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. In today's video, I'm going to share this quick card project with you made using few products from the Not2Shabby Shop April Box of the month. Not2Shabby Shop is starting this subscription box from the month of April, and in this box you'll receive 3 4x6 clear stamps, 2 6x6 paper pads, and a 35 pieces ephemera pack. And I'm just gonna give you a quick peek of few of these products that I used on my card today. So here is the ephemera pack that matches completely with this release. They're really pretty and I like the size of each ephemera. They can be used for both A2 and slimline cards. And next is this Lazy Tape Basics paper pad. Love the gorgeous patterns and the colors in this paper pad. So here I have my ephemeras laid out and I'm just deciding which pattern paper will go better with them. And I decided on this purple pattern paper that I'm trimming to 4¼ by 4½ inches. And I'm gluing it to a top folded A2 size note card. Now you will see me gluing my ephemera pieces towards the bottom center of the card. And I'm using a combination of liquid glue and foam tape to glue all these pieces. This card design was inspired by Card Sketch by MFT. You can see the design on the right side of the screen. I usually like to stamp, die cut and color my own images, but these ephemera pieces really inspired me to create this card today. They look so pretty and my card came together so fast. So all my pieces are glued down, but I felt like they're not in the center. So to fix that, I'm trimming off 1/8 of an inch from the left side of the card. And now for the sentiment, I'm white heat embossing Pamper Yourself sentiment on a black cardstock. This is from the Time to Relax stamp set, which is included in the box of the month. The products from this subscription box will not be available once the boxes are sold out. So you want to grab them while they are available. The link is in the description box below. Here I'm using my scissor to trim off the sentiment and I'll glue it to my card front using some foam tape. And that is it. This was my quick and easy card for today using the products from the April box of the month from Not2Shabby Shop. Don't forget to check them out. Again, the details are in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Here are a few more videos that you might like to watch. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.